Alright, just passing under my first bridge ever. Evidently it's a no-wake zone. But let's see, we got the riverfront. There's the Riverfront Museum. I don't know if you can really tell. It's that gray building right there. It's got the Dome Planetarium on there. Oh, there's Walmart over there, and there's Bass Pro Shop over there. That's actually a marina, like, that you can rent slips at, or if it's only for emergency use, or what that is. But I see one boat there at most ever. That is, if I remember right, it's for the paddle boat. But I heard they sold it, so I don't know if that's the case anymore. But that could also be bad information that I got given.